So guys, this is the dishwashing procedure on a cruise ship. Very important because a lot of Indian also get selected as a galley utility. Everything you need to wash and put it in a dishwasher machine. So the machine really helps a lot, but sometimes the machine also not working, so then it becomes very difficult. So you can see fork, knife, cutleries, plates, everything goes inside the machine and it comes out from the other side. You need to remove and stack it. I will show you that. So this is the guy who is working as a dishwasher. You can see how you need to put everything inside this machine to be washed, and you can see the pile of plates on left hand side. Now he need to put everything. He's putting the trays also. Now he's putting, see, this is the way you need to put the plates. You cannot put it one by one. You need to just put it like this, drag it inside all the plates. So you can see, wow. So I have done fast forward the video, so he's not actually that fast, but yeah, we need to do this. This is the way it need to be done. Now this is the way you need to remove the plates from the machine slowly, steadily, so you should not get hurt. And you need to put it in a trolley. You need to stack it in a trolley just beside it. Alright guys. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned with Cruising with Goldy. I will come up with more beautiful video and give you knowledge about cruise ship and cruise ship life. Bye.